Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot. I'm going to do another Red Lobster Copycat, Admiral's Feast. Let's get to the ingredients. Cornstarch, breadcrumbs, cornmeal, flour. I have one beaten egg here. Old Bay Seasoning. Onion powder. Paprika. Cayenne pepper. Garlic powder. Salt. And black pepper. The first dish we're going to do is the scallop. Already washed and rinsed the scallop in cold water. I have some oil here in this wok heating up. Now, these are the ingredients we're going to use for the scallop. Breadcrumbs, cornstarch, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, and onion powder. Also, a little Old Bay. We're going to mix this up together. We're going to take the scallop, drop it in the egg wash. Then, dip it in the egg wash. After we dip it in the egg wash, we're going to crumbs. Then we're going to put it in the flour. Take off the excess. And then we're going to put it in. See? Let's do another one. Egg wash. Shake off the excess. Put it in the breadcrumbs. Coat it with the flour. Shake off the excess and put it into the oil. Well, let's see if they cook on this side. Yes, it's ready to flip them. And we're going to let them cook on this side for about a minute or less. Well, the scallops has finished frying, and the next thing we're going to fry are the clams. I've washed them in lemon juice and cold water, and I had them in the refrigerator. Now, we're going to add to this, this dish here, we're going to add some cornmeal, some flour, and some of the seasonings. We're going to mix this up together, the cornmeal, flour, and the seasoning. I've added the clams to the flour and seasoning and cornmeal mixture. Now, this is what we do. We're going to start frying them now. Gotta shake off all the excess mixture. See, we're letting this fry now for about 30 seconds to a minute or until it gets brown. Let's check and see if the clams are ready to come out. Yes, they are. Let's take the clams out. So now that I've taken the clams out, and the next dish that we're going to do for the feast is we're going to fry the shrimp and the flounder. We're going to add the seasonings, the cornmeal, and the flour. This up together so everything can get the season going through it. As always, the ingredients will be below. So we're going to start with the flounder. of all excess. Well, let's see if it's time to flip them. Yes, they're ready on that side. So let's cook them on this side now. This one here can fry a little more on that side. Now it's time to jump in the wok. We'll let these cook and then flip them over to the other side. Now let's flip them to the other side. Yes, it's cooked on that side. So now we're going to cook them on this side. So we're going to let them cook for about a minute on this side. I've plated it up. The Admiral's Feast. Here you have it. On this platter, I have French fries, flounder, shrimp, scallops, clams, lemon wedges, and the dipping sauce, what we're going to be using is ketchup, tartar sauce, and cocktail sauce. I hope you enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.